wake up and find yourself in a home, away from home. You feel at home so easily because you realize that indeed, home is where the heart is. Challenging your beliefs and sparking new perspectives. It reinforces the belief in the beauty of diversity, as well as challenging the ability to see without assuming and speak without judgment. Because in a world full of individualism, you still feel like nothing really matters when you can't share what you do or have. Doing less studying from books and learning more about life from long kitchen table conversations with people unlike you had ever come across. Yet through it all, bad experiences evoke homesickness. You try to let them serve as a compass, to guide you through life and its obstacles. Whether people are meant to leave or stay, accept everyone you meet along the way as a teacher. And flipping through the pages of A Year Abroad, you realize that the greatest lesson of it all is mastering the art of letting go.